An ancient Japanese art, kintsugi, uses gold to repair, or as we would say, heal broken pottery. This attaches a beautiful philosophy to breakages. As against stashing away the damages inflicted by circumstances, life can be nurtured and celebrated better if you invest your energies in overcoming challenges. According to E.A. Bucchianeri, well, if it can be thought, it can be done. A problem can be overcome. Trials and tribulations are as much a part of our life as a very consciousness of identity. Along the meandering path of life, twists and turns have an equal probability of being desirous and devastating. Today, the world is a simmering pot, boiling hot, and ready to spill over any minute. Life wasn't particularly easy earlier, but now, without an iota of doubt, it's gotten difficult. Which exactly is why, perhaps, there has never been a better time to get up and overcome your challenges. Now, let's look at 7 tips to overcome such challenges. To the one who believes life is full of problems, the only way out is perhaps solving life problems, so that life itself does not become a problem. Join us as we dive deep into the minds to seek the gold that lies within, for no victory could taste sweeter than overcoming challenges life throws your way. Number 1. Identify the challenges. A life without challenges is a life not lived. You are likely to face challenges in every single aspect of your life, whether it can be academics, financial planning, family, employment issues, or interpersonal relations. The key to overcoming life's challenges lies in identifying the challenge and placing it in an incorrect attention sphere. This enables you to allocate your attention and resources in the right manner to overcome difficulties in various aspects of your life. Hypothetically, if you are in a position where you have botched up investments or zero savings, or have any relationship on the verge of falling apart, or are underperforming at work, identifying each of these challenges as distinct entities and approaching the solution not as a whole but part by part will surely give you leverage in overcoming obstacles. Break the unholy union of all of your challenges and compartmentalize them to lessen their combined strength. Number 2. Materialize your challenges. Having identified each one of your challenges, take away from every single one of your life full of problems one of its greatest powers. Don't allow the problem to be an abstract notion. Force a physical form upon the most difficulties in your life. Write it down on a piece of paper. Break it down to the minutest of its parts. Case in point, if your challenge in a particular instance is a below par performance at work, state the areas where you are lacking. Is it the understanding of your theory? Can you comprehend but not apply it? Coercing obstacles to take a physical form stunts their growth while also giving you a sense of acceptance, which is a starting point. Number 3. Face your fears. Your fears won't spare you solely because you chose to ignore them. Neglecting your fears gives them a chance to roost within your mind and simultaneously shame you for not doing anything about it. Instead of cursing yourself to a life of never-ending decay, look fear in its eye. You might even be puny to overcome the challenge. Fear might laugh at you now. Ignore it. Look at its scope and size. Look for that weak spot. Attune your strengths to look fear in the eye and eventually conquer it. Number 4. Learn from your challenges. At a point in your life, you struggle with identifying letters. Today, we are together on this journey to overcome the obstacles in life. A challenge instilled your current skill set. While it may seem odd, learn from it. Overcoming the challenge imbibes you with skills, perseverance, and sets you on the path for excellence. Train yourself to manage perspectives and use challenges in your life to develop a holistic vision towards every incident. Number 5. Be kind. Be kind to yourself. When you are already against the uphill task of overcoming all difficulties in your life, it is unwise to treat yourself with unnecessary harshness. Give yourself chances to try things out, chances to fail, but most importantly, chances to try again. That being said, don't set the bar too low or slack off after enthused commencement. Approach others with kindness too. Everyone's David is trying to hunt the Goliath, but don't let your kindness be mistaken for weakness. Number 6. Set realistic goals. Take charge. Don't let somebody else get into your life's driving seat. Carefully study challenges in your life after its coercive materialization at your hands. This is your first step towards overcoming difficulties in your life. Set realistic goals to overcome every single component of problems in your life. Having set the goal, make a working plan and act on it. Schedule your day, make optimal usage of time, and stick to the time slot for achieving it. Number 7. Seek help. Pass it on. If problems in your life are hard for you to tackle by yourself, seek help. Depending on the resources and situation, you may choose either professional help or even lean in for a bit on your closest confidants. Irrespective of whether or not you have anyone you can look up for support, learn to also live by yourself and attain the state of fruitful self-independence. If you can get help or even are in a position to help yourself, make sure to pass it on. As we leave you to ponder and act upon the 7-point agenda to overcome challenges in your life, we would just like to gently remind you, challenges are potent enough to get you off track momentarily, but stand no chance against human perseverance. Difficulties in life are not merely a part of life, but it is the challenges in life which give you the chance for your very own kintsugi moment. Your moment to earn and wear with pride your luster.